This video shows how to import a document, link it to a category for access restrictions, and assign a responsible person to follow up on the reaction date in the Business Administration section of Pilim. Let's start.
Click Document Import. Select Document Category. Enter document name. Select Document Date. Select Reaction Date. Select Notification Email Recipient and upload the document. Click on Save. Document import has been saved successfully.
The responsible person will receive email notification informing that a new document needs attention from him/her. Notifications by email will be sent regularly until the person treat the document and change the status to close.